Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are back again with another recipe video. Today I'll be sharing with you recipe of making chicken pulao, my version. When you're craving for having biryani and don't have time, this is the similar version nearby to it, which you can make quick, easy at home. So let's begin. So here I've taken 1 kg of chicken, which I've washed and cleaned, to which I'll be marinating it first. I'll be adding in 1 spoon of salt. Add in as per your taste. Half spoon of turmeric powder. Half spoon of red chilli powder. This is spicy one. 1 spoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. This gives good color to your pulao. 2 spoon of coriander powder. 1 spoon of chicken masala. And 1 spoon of garam masala. So we're going to mix it nicely. Make sure that all the pieces gets rubbed with this masala nicely. Once you have mixed it nicely, we're gonna move to the next step. Leave it for 20 minutes. If you have more time, you can also leave it for an hour. But now that I'm making an instant, I'm just going to leave it for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, this is getting marinated. We'll move on to the next step. Here I've kept the vessel in which I'll be making my chicken pulao. The gas is on medium high, to which I'll be adding in 3 to 4 spoons of cooking oil. And 1 spoon of ghee. Adding ghee to your pulao or biryani makes your rice fluffier. They don't stick to each other. Let it become hot. Once the oil is hot, I'm gonna add in some dry spices, which are 2 bay leaves, 1 inch of cinnamon, 2 star anise, 2 black cardamom, quarter piece of nutmeg, 6 to 7 green cardamom, 6 to 7 cloves, 8 to 9 black peppercorns, and few strands of mace. Once it's nice mixed, we're gonna add in 3 medium-sized, finely chopped, thin sliced onions to it. Mix it very well and cook it till it becomes a bit brown in color, which will roughly take about 8 to 10 minutes. So I'm gonna let it cook and become brown. So it's been about 12 to 15 minutes. Here you can see how nicely our onions have turned brown. This is the perfect color that we wanted, from which I'm gonna take out few of them, which I'll be using it at the end for garnishing. Just a little. Now to this I'll be adding in 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste, 3 small sliced tomatoes, half spoon of salt, half spoon of turmeric powder, half spoon of red chilli powder, half spoon of coriander powder, half spoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, give it a nice mix. Be very careful when you are doing this. So I'm gonna let it cook till the tomatoes and masala gets cooked very nicely, which will take about 8 to 10 minutes. So I'm gonna cover and cook it for about 8 to 10 minutes. So it's been about 10 minutes. Our base masala has cooked very nicely. You can see how nicely our tomatoes have cooked. To this, I'm gonna add in our marinated chicken to it. Gas is on medium, and I'm gonna coat this entire chicken with this masala. Trust me guys, this is not less than a biryani, somewhere near to biryani, but you're gonna love it when you eat it at the end. Me and my husband are a big fan of biryanis and pulao. Once you've done it, gas is on medium. So now that the chicken has been mixed with the masala, to this I'm gonna add in 1 cup of yogurt, give it a nice mix. And cover and cook it till the chicken and the masala gets cooked very nicely and the water from the yogurt gets cooked. So now that we've mixed, I'm gonna cover and cook it for about 12 to 15 minutes. So it's been about 12 to 15 minutes. You can see our masala has cooked very nicely, oil coming out. That means it's cooked very nicely. Our chicken is also cooked. At this point, I'm gonna lower the gas, add in 1 hand fistful of mint, one hand fistful of green coriander, finely chopped, four green chilies, squeeze in half a lemon, mix it. Gas is on medium low. Once you've mixed it, I'm gonna add in half spoon of chicken masala powder. Mix it very well. Adding in green coriander and mint when you're making pulao adds freshness to your pulao and the taste doesn't get burnt when you're making the base. Once you've done this, here I've taken 4 glasses of rice, which is approximately 1 kg. Because I've used 1 kg chicken, I'm going to add in 1 kg of basmati rice. I've soaked it in water for about an hour. So I'm going to add this rice to the masala that we made. And mix it with soft hands. Be very gentle because they are soaked. They might break easily. I've increased the gas to medium high. Once you've done that, I'm gonna add in. So since we added 4 cups of rice, I'm gonna add in 8 cups of water. Use the same glass for the measurement. So here I've added in 8 cups of water. Give it a nice mix. Gentle hands. At this point you can check in for the seasoning. Salt, green chili powder. If you need to add in, you can add in. I've added it as per our taste, so it's okay for us. So I'm going to cover and cook it for about 12 to 15 minutes on a high flame, so that the water gets soaked by the rice and gets cooked, and then I'm going to cook it on a low flame. So it's been about 15 minutes and you can see all the water has dried up. I'm just going to give it a small mix with light hands and cover and cook it for about 10 minutes on a very low flame, so that the dum gets properly done and the rice and the chicken gets cooked very nicely. So guys, our chicken pulao is all ready. I've kept it on low flame for 10 minutes and then I switched the gas off and more 15 minutes on just switched off gas to just everything to settle down. So finally it's all ready. I'll show you how it's turned out to be. So that's our chicken pulao. See how yummy it's looking. Even the chicken is cooked so nice. So what I'm gonna do, see, all the masala and everything, every bite, I'm sure it's gonna be like heaven. So I'm just gonna do the plating, but before that let me just add in some freshly chopped green coriander to it. And that's it. I'll show you one more time. See how yummy it's looking. I'm gonna do the plating and show you. So guys, I've finally done the plating. Let me show you how it's turned out to be. So that's our chicken pulao. Look how yummy and delicious it's looking. See, I'll show you how nicely even the chicken is cooked. So what I'm going to do is, I'm gonna taste and show you all. It's piping hot. Take a piece of chicken, some pulao, squeeze in some lemon, let me taste. It's so yummy. I can't tell you, there's no words I'm getting at the moment. It's nicely marinated. Each bite is not less than a biryani. Please try the recipe the way I've showed you. The chicken is so soft and tender. The pulao is cooked so nice. The rice, the masala, everything is just so perfect. When you have guests coming in and you don't have time to take biryani, prepare biryani separately, rice and gravy and lot of procedure, try this recipe. Very quick and easy. Within no time you'll get yummy tasty chicken pulao right at your place, right at your home. Try the way I've showed you, the way I have added my ingredients, the masala, the spices, the onions that I have used, the quantity. Always remember there is 1:1 ratio. That is, if you're using 1 kg of rice, make sure you use 1 kg of chicken, so that every spoon that you're taking the rice of pulao, so has a piece of chicken in it. That's usually how I make pulao and biryani. I hope you liked my video. If you do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. That's all for today's video, guys. I'm gonna have my day today with this yummy lunch at my home, and I'm sure you guys will enjoy it too once you prepare it at your place. That's all for today's video. See you in your next video. Till then, be happy and stay smiling. Bye bye.